Hi, I'm Ashton, and today we're going to be going over the 108 model, and we'll talk about some of the features and some of the things that you can expect when you unbox this model. So in this model, we have a dual motor that has 1000 CFM, and you can control the 4-speed right here on this push button control panel. You also can control the 3 LED lights on here as well. The amount of LED lights on this model depends on the size, and this is the 48-inch hood size. And next I'm going to show you how to put in the filters for this model. So when you open the filters box on this model, you will find 3 filters and 2 spacers. I already went and put in these 3 pieces, but I'm going to show you how to put in the spacers and the filters next. Keep in mind that the spacers go in between the middle piece and not on the outsides. So next, all you need to do is just put it down, put it up into this insert, and then it slides in right there, and the same thing for the filter. Hold it by the handles, put it down, put it in the slot, and then it sits right in. And that's how you put in the filters. When you open your transition and power cord box, you will find your instruction manual, some hardware for the hood, your power cord, which can just be plugged into the top of the hood and to your nearest outlet, some sealing tape for your transition piece. Your transition piece has an 8-inch diameter, so make sure your ductwork can fit into this size. The cool thing about this hood is that you can rotate your blower through the back or the top of the hood, depending on if your ductwork exhausts through the wall or the roof of your home. Next, I'm going to be talking about the brackets to mount your hood on. Here I have the mounting brackets. This is the piece that will be screwed onto your hood into these 4 holes here on each side. And this is the piece that will go on your wall. And how it works is you just grab the piece that's going to be on your hood and you just slide it right in. And then that's how you use the mounting brackets. This is what you can expect when you open the 108 model. Leave a comment below about one of your favorite features and give us a call if you have any questions about this.